Did you know that China's latest humanoid robots are shaking some of the biggest tech companies in the United States and Europe? Yes, this isn't a movie, this is real. At Canton Fair 2025, some incredible robots were showcased. Robots that could completely change the global robotics industry. Stay with this video, because what you're about to see is honestly hard to believe unless you see it with your own eyes. First, let's understand, what exactly is the Canton Fair? It's China's largest trade exhibition, held every year since 1957. Every year, business leaders and tech enthusiasts from around the world gather here. This fair is not just about products, it's where cutting-edge technology, robotics, and innovation are revealed. And what was shown at the 2025 Canton Fair? It was truly unbelievable. Let's start with Deep Robotics. Their robotic dog, Light 3, was already popular, but this year the real highlight was a robot called Lynx MT. This robot runs on wheels and is designed specifically for industrial use. It can climb stairs, cross obstacles up to 80 centimeters high, move through narrow spaces as tight as 50 centimeters, and even handle slopes up to 45 degrees. Its top speed is 18 kilometers per hour. And here's the crazy part. It can operate in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. It also follows IP6 standards, meaning it can work in dusty or wet environments. Now let's talk about something even more mind-blowing, a robot called Qinbao by Shanghai Robot Engine. This robot looks so realistic that at first glance you might think it's a real human. It can talk, smile, and show facial expressions. Basically, it communicates just like a human. These types of robots can be used in customer service, hotels and reception, education and entertainment, and live events. Now imagine this, a factory where robots are building other robots. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's already real. Unitree Robotics has launched a massive 10,000 square meter automated factory in Ningbo. The shocking part? There are no humans. Robots are building new robots. This is the future of smart manufacturing. Production is faster, costs are lower, and quality is even better. Now let's move to agriculture. K2 Tech has developed an advanced agricultural robot that can identify, sort, and pick fruits and vegetables like tomatoes with extreme precision. This is not just a machine, it's the beginning of a new era in farming. It uses advanced sensors, computer vision, and AI to detect ripe and unripe fruits. Key features: works 24/7 without human help, picks ripe fruits carefully, reduces damage during harvesting, lowers costs, and increases production. Think about it. Where 5 to 6 workers were needed before, now one robot can do the job perfectly. For a country like Bangladesh, where labor shortages happen during harvest season, this technology could be a game changer. Now let's talk about something artistic. A company called RO has created a calligraphy robot that can copy a person's handwriting or signature so perfectly that it's almost impossible to tell the difference. These robots can be used in design studios, traditional art creation, and museum displays. Now let's look at Pudu Robotics. Their robots are already working in hotels, restaurants, offices, and malls. Examples: X3 Reception Robot welcomes guests, guides them, and provides information. W2 Delivery Robot handles room service and deliveries without human help. P3 Performance Robot can sing and dance to entertain guests. These robots don't just look cool, they actually understand what people need. Next is Alpha Robotics. They created a humanoid robot called Timo. Its biggest feature? It can understand and speak over 40 languages, yes, even Bengali. Imagine a foreign guest arriving in Bangladesh and being welcomed in Bengali by a robot. It can be used in schools, customer service, and government offices. Now let's talk about Canton Robotics. They've built robots that can run an entire restaurant. Their X-Man R1 robot can take orders, serve food, and clean tables. This means a restaurant can run entirely with robots, reducing costs while improving service reliability. Did you know some Chinese robots are now beating top human players in the game Go? Go is one of the most complex strategy games in the world, and now robots are champions. This shows how far AI and machine learning have advanced. AKA Robotics has created a wall-climbing robot that can work on vertical or difficult surfaces. It can remove rust, clean walls, paint, sand surfaces. It uses magnetic gripping and computer vision to safely operate on vertical structures. This is especially useful in dangerous environments like ships, wind turbines, and offshore platforms. So why is China becoming a concern for the US and Europe? Because Chinese companies aren't just building robots, they're building a full ecosystem of research, development, and manufacturing. For example, UB Tech spends 50% of its revenue on research and holds over 2,600 active patents. Meanwhile, many Western companies are still stuck in the prototype stage. China has already moved into mass production, and that's their biggest strength. They don't just innovate, they bring products to market quickly and at lower cost. Robots are coming, and they will work in hotels, hospitals, schools, and factories. Young people need to prepare now. Learn robotics, artificial intelligence, and automation. Those who learn these skills will have huge opportunities. Those who don't may fall behind. If you have any questions about these robots, make sure to comment below. We'll try to answer them all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video with another amazing technology story. Until then, stay safe and take care.